All right, I have somebody, it says ICF Unit 5. Can I ask who you have with you today? Hi, Mr. Shea.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
Good, how are you? I'll figure out.
Living the dream.
Living the dream. All right, I have somebody on an iPhone. I just sent a request to unmute. Hi, what is your name, please?
Caleb Daniels.
Mr. Shea.
All right.
Nightmares are dreams too, Mr. Shea. Nightmares are dreams too.
Charles, you are not
Thank you,
muted.
Charles.
I know. I wanted to be
okay.
for that. I wanted to be muted.
All right, Caleb Daniels. All right, Mr. Daniels, I just changed your screen name. Your attorney is Mr. Murphy. So,
I'm pretty sure it's Amadeo.
Oh, you have Amadeo now?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a special PD judge.
Well, it said Matt Murphy on my docket, so Amadeo. Let me change that. All right, I do not have Mr. Amadeo yet, so I am going to put you in the waiting room. And then when I get him, I'll bring you back in, okay?
You.
And I'm gonna, yeah, there you go. All right, I have somebody from MDOC. Can I have your name, please?
Jenkins 835289.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
I am good. All right, I am going to change your screen name, Mr.
All right.
Jenkins, and I'm gonna put your attorney's initials after it. She usually goes to the other court first, so it might be a few minutes, so you can just hang out with me, all right?
All right.
If I get a lot of background noise, which I don't seem to be, I might have to put you in the waiting room, okay? But, well, we're good right now, so. All right, I have Charles Noy, John Shea, and all right. So I have Holly Schmidt in my waiting room, so I'm gonna bring her in. And Allison Arnold, are you my prosecutor on this one?
I am judge.
Okay, so let me get there. Ms. Schmidt, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Holly Eileen Schmidt, file number 25-22261FH. I have Allison Arnold appearing on behalf of the people. I have John Shea and Charles Noe appearing on behalf of Ms. Schmidt. Is that correct?
Just John Shea on this case.
Oh, just John Shea on this one. Okay, got it. All right, this is the date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Shea and Ms. Arnold, how would you like to proceed?
Judge, I believe we're going to need to ask for another adjournment. We have Mr. Shea retained an expert, Bradley Cook. We got his report at the very end of the year, and I sent it to our expert at the beginning of January. We did have some. Oh.
I can't hear. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
yes, we can hear you.
I can't hear you.
Mr. Shea? Mr. Shea, can you hear us yet? Now we can't hear you. Say something, Mr. Shea. Yep, can't hear you. Want to call back in real quick? Are you here on a case?
Yes.
Which one?
Carrie Swift.
What is it?
Carrie Swift.
Say it louder.
Carrie Swift.
I'm just waiting for Mr. Shea, Mr. Sala, is here, Mr. Mawad. Okay, got Mr. Shea back. Let's see if we got audio. And then I'll take Mr. Mawad, Mr. Noe, and Mr. Sala in order of appearance. All right, Mr. Shea, can you hear us? We can't hear you. No. All right, I'm going to move on to Mr. Mawad while we figure out the audio. So Monica Bryant, oh, Mr. Shea? No. All right, Mr. Mawad.
Yes, Judge.
All right, you have
Monica Bryant.
Yep, got it. I just let her in. Monica Bryant, if you can start your audio and your video, please.
She told me she lost her voice, Judge.
Okay, well, Miss Bryant, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
Excellent, thank you. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Monica Bryan, file number 25-22495FH. Elias Mawad appearing on behalf of Miss Bryan. And so Miss Arnold, you are the only prosecutor I have. So I don't have anybody else logged in. So you're it.
Okay.
So someone
No
else
problem,
logs in.
Judge.
All right. So
I know Mr. Sneed was here bright and early too. I'm not sure what happened.
It's no problem. That's no problem.
All right, so Mr. Mawad, how would you like to proceed today?
So, Judge, right now there's no plea offers. When I talked to the assistant prosecutor handling the case, would you give me another 30 days to try to see if we can resolve this? I think we can. I don't see it going to trial, but I'd like to put the old Eli begging on my knees for a better plea.
All right, so I'm going to set this over to February 25 at 8:30 in the morning.
All right.
And Mr. Mawad, if you can do the stipend order to adjourn.
Yes. Yes.
Miss Allison Arnold, can he sign your name with permission?
He certainly can.
All
Thank
right,
you.
so Miss Bryan, you're all set. Your bond's continued. And Mr. Mawad, thank you. You have a good day.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Monica.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, Mr. Shea, Mr. Shea, how about now? We have no audio. Do you want to call in? Call the phone number. Do you have the number? Okay. All right, I'm gonna move on. I believe Mr. Noe was next. And Mr. Noe has, I'll find you, Rebecca Williams. I have her in my waiting room. Is she in your, she's probably in your office, right?
No, Liz, out of state.
Let me find her file. All right, Miss Underwood, I have Mr. Jenkins. Do you need a breakout room with him?
Yes, just briefly, Your Honor.
Right, Mr. Jenkins, I'm gonna place you in a breakout room with Rhonda Underwood. I think you're probably on a polycom, so when she comes back in, I'll bring you back in, okay?
Okay.
So you should go automatically. There we go. Yep, he did. Okay. All right. So Miss Williams, if you could start your audio and your video, please. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Rebecca Sue Williams, file number 23-21606FH. I have I got a prosecutor. I don't know who it is. It just says Illinois County Prosecutor.
Judge, it's Miss McClure's case, but I'll cover.
Okay. Okay, and I have Allison Arnold on behalf of the people and Charles Noe on behalf of Miss Williams. So, Mr. Noe, oh, it's Isaac Steen. Mr. Noe, How would you like to proceed with Ms. Williams?
Thank you, Your Honor. This matter is actually set for jury trial, set to commence on February 23rd. I am working on getting more forensic accounting work done on this. I sent several subpoenas, and I'm waiting for an answer on another subpoena from the victim in this matter, actually through their counsel, Mr. Jackson, civil counsel. So therefore, we do have a trial date set, but I don't believe this is really right for trial at this point. This case is an older case, though, to be fair to the court and also to people. But that being said,
Mr. Noe, you are kind of distorted again, and I'm so sorry.
I know it's all right. My new mic is literally en route in the mail. So
Okay,
but if I can
so
use
we are set for trial on February 23rd. It's my understanding Miss McClure is the prosecutor on this, correct?
We're getting an echo.
Yeah, I have somebody on a phone. I'm gonna put them in the waiting room real quick. Okay, so are you prepared to go to trial?
on this matter, no, we are not. We have more discovery that I'm doing. And I've spoken to Ms. McClure, and we are confident once I have this final piece of discovery, her and I can sit down and figure out some resolution to this case. So what we'd be asking you to do is vacate the trial date, set another pre-trial date in 30 to 60 days, and we'll contact after today. Myself and Ms. McClure will start an email chain with the court clerk to get a new trial date set to keep this matter moving forward. But we are not right for trial at this time, no, Judge.
Okay, Miss Adams, could I get the red book, please? This is one of the files that is on my state court administrator list of concern. So I'm not willing to adjourn it out too far at all. So I am gonna set another trial date.
Okay.
All right, it's a 5-day trial, you believe.
Yes.
So I have Tuesday, March 10 at 9 a.m.
Looks like Miss McClure is in a trial on James Burton at that time in your court, Judge.
No, because it got adjourned.
Okay, thank you.
And this would take precedence over it anyway, but
Understood.
according to my notes, all my trials for that day have been adjourned.
That would be Tuesday, March 10th through 11th,
Yep.
12th.
At 9 a.m.
Okay.
And let me see here. I'm gonna leave, let's see. The deadline for jury instructions is February 6th, and I'm gonna leave that on because those should be done anyway. And then I'll set a final pretrial for February 25, I think. Hold on, let's see. February 25 at 8:30. And I will get a copy of this out to everybody. And if you need a bench conference, just let me know.
And then is it set to, so trials set to commence on March, on which day again?
Say that again.
What day is trial set to commence?
March 10, Tuesday, March 10.
Okay, and that'll go through Tuesday.
Until
Wednesday.
it's done. Tuesday,
Okay.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then potentially the following Tuesday if we need to.
Okay, all right. All right, I'm in a jury trial already the following Tuesday, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. All right,
Don't
thank
know
you.
what,
Actually,
Okay.
I couldn't tell what he said.
you could?
I could not.
We could not hear what you said, Mr.
I could
Noe.
not understand him.
It's fine. It's fine. I don't, we're set with those dates. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Shea?
You called in, that's the.
Oh, is it the phone number?
Yeah.
Let's see if that works. Mr. Shea, are you on the phone?
I am.
Excellent. Okay, I am so sorry about that. Technology is great until it doesn't work. All right, so let's go
Correct.
back to Ms. Schmidt. So, expert witness, so I do have a note from Darren Coase saying that Ms. Schmidt continues to do a great job with the twice a day PBTs. She never misses and is always negative. She's been doing them for a year now. All right, so, where do we go from here? So you wanted an adjournment, you said 30 to 60 days?
Yeah, Judge, the issue is, we have the expert opinion from Mr. Shea's expert, and now he's requesting, our expert has a opinion about the opinion, and Mr. Shea's requesting a written report on that to see if we need to have a Daubert hearing. So our expert is teaching a 2-week accident reconstruction class right now, and then has 2 jury trials. So we think we could be ready to have a pretrial February 25th or after.
Oh, March 4 at 8:30.
That's fine,
good.
Judge. Thank you.
All right, and Mr. Shea, can you do the stip in order to adjourn? And Ms. Arnold, can you sign your name with permission?
Certainly.
I
All
will
right,
do it.
we'll see. Thank you. We'll see you back. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr.
You can leave.
Mr. Mawad, I'm gonna close that breakout room and bring Mr. Jenkins back. Where'd he go? I think we already finished with Mr. Mawad, didn't we, with
Yes,
Brian?
Judge.
Okay,
Yes.
I can put that away. Rhonda Underwood with Mr. Jenkins. He is back. 3, 2, 1. All right. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Cortez Jenkins, file number 25-22494FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Jenkins, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference. So, Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Jenkins?
Your Honor, the offer to Mr. Jenkins is as charged to 2 counts of assaulting a prison employee, an E-grade felony of 5 years. The habituals would be dismissed, Your Honor, and we would be requesting a COBS to the low end of the guidelines.
Okay, Mr. Sneed, is that a correct recitation of the plea? And
Yes, it is.
obviously, okay. All right, that's fine, Miss Underwood.
I don't know where we are as far as an advice of rights on this.
Well, I haven't given them yet, and we'll mail one to them, but. All right, so is your client gonna avail himself of that plea?
My client would like to avail himself of that plea, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Jenkins, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, so can you state your name for the record?
Deshaun Cortez Jenkins.
All right, thank you. So Mr. Jenkins, you've heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney. Is it your intention, hold on, I'm trying to get all my paperwork organized. Is it your intention today to plead as charged to count 1 and count 2, which is assault of a prison employee? They carry a maximum penalty of up to 5 years and or a $2,500 fine. And let me see here. All right, and any steps you have for your prior felonies, although it's not on the felony information, would be dismissed. Do you understand that?
I understand.
And then Ms. Underwood's asking me to COBS to the low end of the guidelines, which I will do. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay, excellent. And do you understand that this sentence will actually stack on the sentence you are currently serving?
I understand.
Okay, good. Now, are you satisfied with your attorney and the advice that she's given you?
Yes.
All right, and we are going to mail to you a copy of your advice of rights with a self-addressed envelope to try to get you to sign it and bring it, mail it back in. So you should get that in the mail, but I'm gonna go through those same rights with you now, okay?
Okay.
All right, so neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone else on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court other than an agreement by the court that I will sentence them to the low end of the guidelines. Is that correct, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Underwood?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Jenkins, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial and not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Sir, do you understand if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable had you been convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay, do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
I understand.
Do you understand that if the plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310 between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation, and you will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding or failing to appear for sentencing, which we don't have to worry about, violating terms of condition on bond, you're not on bond, or the terms of any sentencing or plea agreement, or otherwise failing to comply with an order of the court pending sentence. So the only thing that you could do that would impact that is if you caught new charges while we're waiting for sentencing. Do you understand that?
Your Honor, I don't think that's gonna happen.
I don't think so either, but do you understand, Mr. Jenkins? Oh, he's frozen. Mr. Jenkins is frozen, so I do know that I got to probably back up a little bit when he unfreezes, okay? All right, so I'm gonna skip to Mr. McManus. Are you just setting another pretrial or got a plea? You have a seat then. Okay. Mr. Amadeo and then Mr. Sala. So Mr. Amadeo, you are here on Willis Baker, and Willis is in my waiting room. Hold on, and then I'll take Mr. Sala while we're waiting for Mr. Jenkins. All right, this is in the matter of, oh, wrong Baker. I knew I would have more than one Baker. Okay. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Willis Baker Jr., file number 22-20734FH. This is the date and time set for hearing on a probation violation based on an incident that occurred in Hillsdale County allegedly. So, Mr. Amadeo, how do you wish to proceed today on behalf of Willis Baker Jr.?
Your Honor, I'd ask for at least a 30-day adjournment. I've reached out to the prosecutor in Hillsdale. It's only a 30-day trespass ordinance, but at this point, I'm trying to negotiate so there is no PV. I may have to take it to trial. I'm waiting for him to get back to me, but I don't want to make a plea on that case and trigger a PV in your court. I do think that's resolvable globally, but I do need them to get back to me. And obviously, it's not the first thing on their mind right now. If I could have 30 to 45 days, I think I may be able to resolve everything in both courts.
All right, so I will set this over. Are you available February 25 at 8:30 in the morning?
Yes, Judge, I'll make that work. Thank you.
All right, because it's probation violation, we will mail that notice of hearing out. So, Mr. Baker, we'll see you back on February 25 at 8:30 in the morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
Judge.
Your Honor.
Mr. Baker really needs to do this community service work. If you've done it, you need to show it to your probation officer.
Yeah, I sent it to her. Yes, ma'am. She has it.
He sent stuff this morning.
No,
Agent.
yesterday.
Yesterday, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yep.
All right,
Thank you.
Go ahead, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Sala, let me grab your file. And, Matthew Eanes, and I think I let him in earlier, Mr. Sala.
I did see him on the screen.
Yeah, now he's gone. I'm sorry, are you just getting another date?
Yes.
Okay, he was here and I let him in and now I can't find him. So I'm fine with that. But in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Robert Eanes, file number 25-22407FH. I have Stanley Sala appearing on behalf of Mr. Eanes. And I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Says date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Sala, how far out would you like this adjourned?
I'd say 30 days, Your Honor.
All right, February 25 at 8:30 in the morning. Would that be all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I will set a pretrial for February 25 at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Sala, if you can do the
Well,
stipend or.
Hang on,
No?
I got a 9 o'clock jury trial scheduled. I don't think that's gonna go, but just to be safe, I better
How
not
about
set this.
March 4? Would that work for you?
Yes, that works fine, thank you.
Okay, if you can do the stipend order to adjourn, Mr. Sneed, can he sign your name with permission?
Yes, please.
All right, Mr. Jenkins, you're all set, Mr. Sala. Thank you. Mr. Jenkins,
Thank you,
he's
Your
still
Honor.
frozen, Rhonda, and I don't know what to do. Miss Brenner, what do you have? I'm looking for Miss Brenner.
I have Kramarzik with Mr. Fleming. Jordan Kramarczyk. Okay. I butchered that.
All right.
Your Honor,
Rhonda,
I'm sorry. Do you have Mr. Glassby in your waiting room?
I do.
Could
Do you
we
need a breakout?
Could we do a quick arraignment?
Sure. I have Draquan Glassby and Drayvon Glassby.
Mine is Dravion.
All right. Well, I don't know who. I have. Okay. Brian Fry has one. Okay. So you have Dravion. All right.
Correct.
Let me arraign that one real quick. Miss Adams, we could reach out to Mr. Fry. And even my. Okay. I don't know, Miss Underwood. Looks like there's going to be a plea on the other one. All right. This is Mr. Glassby. You want to unmute your device?
How you doing?
Good morning. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Dravion Glassby, file number 26-22517FH. I have Brenda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Glassby. And I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. You're throwing me off because it doesn't say your name. And I'm always like that prosecutor guy. So this is date and time set for arraignment. Ms. Underwood, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
We would waive the reading of the felony information, Your Honor. We would acknowledge its receipt and the receipt of the witness list. We would ask that this be entered as a not guilty plea and set for a pretrial, Your Honor. And there is a prelim transcript in this case.
You ordered that?
I would be ordering it right now.
Miss Adams, do I have any dates at the end of it? Or no, I'm gonna set it for April 15, pre-trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So April 15 at 8:30 in the morning. And Mr. Glassby, I don't want you to give me your full address, but are you still on Sheldon?
Yes.
All right, we will mail a notice of hearing to that address, okay?
Okay.
The court will enter a plea of not guilty, and we'll see you back on that day, April 15 at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, now I'm gonna bring in Mr. Jenkins. No, he's still frozen. Okay, I don't even know where I was. I was with Mr. Komarchik with Fleming, but I still got Mr. Amadeo. Mr. Amadeo.
I have Caleb Daniels, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah, let me take care of this one, and Caleb is in my waiting room. Your client, Mr. Fry, is in my waiting room. So Mr. Komarchik, got Mr. McManus was here. So are you taking a plea today, Mr. Fry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm gonna take Mr. McManus before you, if that's all right. All right, Mr. Komarchik, if you could start your audio and your video, please. Jordan Komarchik.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
All right, it's okay, and I pronounced it right, correct, Komarchik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jordan Alexander Komarchik, file number 25-22434FH. I have Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General's office, and I have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of Mr. Komarchik. This is date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Fleming and Ms. Brenner.
Your Honor, we were here last month. Defendant hadn't been making payments since he had bonded out, and you had instructed that he needed to make his December and January payment, or he would be facing remand. He has not been consistent with his payments. He did make a $550 payment yesterday, but that still puts him short for his ordered amount for the last 2 months. Since he was released, that's been 4 months. So he should have paid $1,432. Minus the $550 he posted yesterday, he's $932 short. It's my understanding he started a job, lost a job. So we're not making good progress. So I would ask that he be remanded since he did not fulfill your request last time. And I'm not sure how we will proceed.
Mr. Fleming.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Komarchik is certainly trying, Judge. Unfortunately, he does suffer from some bad health issues. He has a bad issue with his back. He just did file for Social Security disability, but he is attempting to make payments. He made a $550 payment. If my math's correct, over December and January should have been about $716. He was 162 shy of that, Judge, for December and January. I know he plans on getting $300 more between now and January 31st. For some accounts receivable. He does a little window cleaning on the side to try to make additional income, and he expects to get $300 in that he planned on turning over to the front of the court as soon as he receives that. So I would just ask that he not be remanded, and we set this for a final pretrial to hopefully we can get some headway into this and get it sorted out for Mr. Komarchik.
All right, so part of the obligation when we let a person out of jail is that they're to make payments. Failure to do so can result in a remand. So what I'm going to do is set this for a pretrial in person on February 25. And Mr. Fleming, obviously, if there's any verification of disability, I mean, if he's going to do it, he better get an attorney because it goes quicker that way. But that needs to be sent to Ms. Brenner. But also his full payments need to be made for January and February by the time we come back. That will be in person. If he has not made those payments, I will remand him to custody.
Certainly understandable, Judge. I thank you.
And Mr. Fleming, if you can do the stipend order to adjourn and make sure it states that Mr. Komarchik will appear in person.
Do, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you can sign that with my permission, Mr. Fleming.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kamarchek.
You're all set, Mr. Marchek. Mr. Jenkins, can you hear me? No, he can't. All right,
Your Honor, I'm gonna go back over to Judge Oldsavers. I'm trying to be respectful of his time this morning.
yeah, I know, he's got the trial starting. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This one. And Mr. Amadeo, I lost you again. Who did you say you had? Caleb Daniels, right?
Caleb Daniels, Judge, yes.
All right. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Robert Daniels, file number 25-22256FH. I have Mr. Amadeo appearing on behalf of Mr. Daniels, so let me update that on the file. And all right, and this is the date and time set for pre-trial conference on this file. So, Mr. Amadeo, how would you like to, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So, Mr. Amadeo, how would you like to proceed?
Thank you, Judge. I'd like an adjournment to the February 25th date. I'm working on a couple things. I have a couple trials till then. By February 25th, I think we'll decide if we're going to go to trial or I'm going to do a Cobb's memo, but there's a few aspects of things I want to work on. If there's no objection, I'd ask for the February 25th date. We waive all speedy trial rights.
All right, Mr. Sneed, any objection?
No, thank you.
All right, I will set this over for a pretrial on February 25 at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Amadeo, you can do the step in order to adjourn. Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, please.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right,
I'll take care of that.
Mr. Daniels, how are you doing?
Good.
All right, are you in treatment?
Not currently, no. I'm an outpatient.
Okay, all right, thank you all.
Thank you, Judge.
So. David Goldstein. David Goldstein, what are you hearing?
Miss Madison?
Is that Judge Olsaver?
Yep. Yes, it
I
is.
thought this was yours, Your Honor. Am I in the wrong
No, I
court?
think it's Judge Olsaver's.
Okay, sorry.
It's
Good to
okay,
see
it's
you.
always good to see ya. Bye.
Bye.
All right, so, your plea, Matt Murphy, Matt? Hey, this is Judge Anselm. Can I get Cody Allen?
Cody Allen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Of course.
All right. So I'm going to get ready for, I'm gonna take yours first, Mr. McManus. Where you going?
Get this part out of the way.
I'm kind of spilling over. I was just gonna throw them back in. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Jenkins is still frozen. So Mr. McManus, Matt Murphy, if you're there, I did call the jail to get your client. All right, Andrew Ray, why don't you come stand up at the podium with your attorney and grab your file. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. McManus. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Andrew Gordon Wright, file number 25-22169 FH. I do have Martin McManus appearing on behalf of Mr. Wright, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So I have received from Mr. McManus a copy of the plea agreement signed by all parties, as well as the advice of rights. So thank you very much. So Mr. Sneed, I know this, I think this is a Mr. McCready file, I'm not sure, but the plea agreement form I have states that Mr. Wright will plead guilty to an added count 3. Let me see, I should have amended information. Yep, I have an added count 3. I already have the amended information. He'll plead guilty to home invasion, 2nd degree, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 15 years in prison and or a $3,000 fine. Count 1, count 2 would be dismissed, as well as the habitual offender 3rd offense notice. Probation, a sentence agreement of probation with a sentence of 215 days in the Lenawee County Jail. That's an odd number, but with a sentence agreement of 215 days in the Lenawee County Jail. Does he have credit?
Just not.
No? Okay. All right. Mr. Sneed, does that appear to be a correct recitation of the plea per the plea agreement form?
It does, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So Mr. Wright, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. So you've heard, I read off the plea agreement and you've had an opportunity to review it and you did sign it. So is it your intention today to plead guilty to count 3, home invasion, home invasion, 2nd degree?
Yes.
Okay, let me move my tab. So, all right. Now, you understand the maximum penalty for that could be up to 15 years in prison, but in this case, there is a Killebrew agreement that you will serve 215 days in Lenawee County Jail and probation. Do you understand that?
I do.
All right. Are you satisfied with Mr. McManus as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
Very much so.
All right. And neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed any other possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. McManus?
That's correct.
Is that correct, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that correct as far as you're aware, Mr. Wright? All right, make sure you speak up a little bit, all
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
You have a low voice, so it doesn't register on the recording as well.
Sorry.
So if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you had been convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
I do.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
I do.
Do you understand if your plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310 between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation, and you will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding, failing to appear for sentencing, not following the plea agreement, or failing to comply with an order of the court pending sentence, or violating your terms and condition on bond. So if you fail to appear or you commit another offense, I wouldn't be limited to this agreement. Do you understand that?
I do.
And you wouldn't have a right to withdraw your plea.
All right.
Okay. Do you have, if you're not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No, ma'am.
All right, so how do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about December 10 of 2024 in Ridgeway Township in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense listed under count 3, home invasion, 2nd degree, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge? Say it again.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
I do.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. McManus
No, Your Honor.
and Mr. Sneed.
No, Your Honor.
Right? Has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimated what your sentence will be other than the agreement I placed on the record?
No.
All right. Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right. So, Mr. Wright, on December 10 of 2024, did you go to a dwelling located at 8354 East M50?
Yes.
Would you agree that was in Ridgeway Township in the county of Lenawee?
Yes.
All right. And did you enter that without permission?
Yes.
How did you get in? Open the door?
The door, yeah.
Okay. And when you entered that building, was it your intention to get in a fight or assault somebody?
No. But yes.
Okay. And would that person be Joshua Slick or DeAndre Blair?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Steen or Mr. McManus?
No, Your Honor.
No,
Mr.
thank you.
Steen? All right. Has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. McManus?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Steen?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them other than the Killebrew plea. I am going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. And Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for him? Are you available on March 13 at 8:15 in the morning, Mr. McManus?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Adams, if I could get a notice from Mr. Wright for March 13 at 8:15 in the morning. So, Mr. Wright, I know no one likes to hear this question, but do you want to start your jail today or then?
No, then.
Okay, all right. Some people choose to go now and just start getting it over with. All right, so I'm going to have you, when you're done here today, go across the hall to the probation department and check in. They'll set up a time to meet with you. Make sure you show up for that meeting. Be truthful with them about your background, the events that occurred. They'll prepare a pre-sentence report. We will provide a copy to Mr. McManus, so make sure you reach out to him before sentencing. He'll review that with you, and that will be in person. Mr. McManus, obviously your client needs to be in person, but if something happens, you need to appear via Zoom, you can. All right. All right. So that will be in person, Mr. Wright. And if you want to just have a seat right behind you, we'll get you a notice of hearing, and we'll get one for you, Mr. McManus, as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you both. All right. Now, Mr. Murphy, you're still not acknowledging me.
I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, so, all right, do you want the book? Sure. All right, I'm gonna let the jail in. Oh, I got Mr. Jenkins back, I think. Mr. Jenkins, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
All right, we lost you, you got frozen, so, I'm gonna send a message to your attorney, but, it'll just be a minute, all right?
All right.
Miss Adams, I don't have my phone. Could you message Miss Underwood that I have Mr. Jenkins back?
Okay.
All right, jail Zoom, Mr. Rocket, if you wanna just come up here. Yep. All right, so, Mr. Jenkins, just bear with us. I'm so sorry. I think it's all the cold weather, right?
It might be.
All right, so, Mr. Murphy, you have Mr. Allen, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and I have someone at the jail. Are you Cody Allen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cody Isaac Allen, file number 26-22521FH. That file is set for arraignment today, but I also have an extradition file number 26-22515AX. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people and Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Allen. So starting with the arraignment, Mr. Murphy, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Yes, Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt of said information, the witness list, and the discovery demand from the people in this matter. Would ask the court to enter and continue a not guilty plea and set the matter for a pretrial. And then
You
I
waive
guess.
the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
How far do you want a pretrial?
I guess whatever fits the court schedule best. Right now, I'm not really sure, depending on what happens with the extradition, I guess.
Nothing's gonna happen on the extradition until we resolve this, because if I lose them to another state, I probably won't get them back.
So, we're screening him for rehab right now, Your Honor, and so that's why. You know,
I gotta tell you, Mr. Murphy, I can't release him to rehab with an extradition.
Okay.
So,
right.
I mean, his options at this, I mean, he has, like, I can't do that on an extradition. I can delay the extradition to try to resolve this case, but.
I understand, Your Honor. I'll reach out to the prosecutor and try to get a resolution as quick as possible and try to be in your before the next pretrial, see if we can get that figured out, so that way we can move along.
So I'm gonna set this over to, I'm gonna set it over to February 18. But if you resolve it sooner than that, just call me and I'll bring them in. So February 18 at 8:30 in the morning, we will do the notice of hearing because it's an arraignment. I'll enter a plea of not guilty on this matter, and I will set the extradition over to that date as well. And hopefully we can.
Cody, I'll Zoom with you and talk to you about what's going on, okay?
All right, thank you,
Your Honor.
Mr. Allen. Mr. Murphy, I believe that's all you had with me.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
text Miss Underwood and let her know that I do have her client back from MDOC.
Yep, I'll let her know. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good morning.
Thank you. You too. All right, so, who are you on again?
Curious Swift.
All right. There. All right, and Miss Swift?
Yes.
All right, why don't you guys stand at the podium? Okay, so, here. 1 second. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Carrie Ann Swift, file number 25-22497FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and just state your full name with your P number because we don't get you out here very often.
Dylan Anthony Rocket, P87681.
All right, and I didn't know if Miss Spade had your P number. All right, so this is the date and time set for a first pretrial in this matter. So, Mr. Rocket, how would you like to proceed?
We would need a short adjournment. Well, I mean, 30-day or so. We did order transcripts in this case, and downstairs is a little backed up as far as.
It's about 90 days.
90 days. Yeah, that would be okay.
Okay, April 15.
Yeah.
And Miss Adams, because Miss Swift is here, could I get 2 notice of hearings? One from Mr. Rocket and one from Mr. Swift. So I'm gonna set this over for pre-trial on April 15 at 8:30. I thought it was plea today. I would have brought you up sooner, I'm sorry. And have a seat right behind you, Miss Swift, and we will get you a copy of a notice of hearing. And then obviously, Mr. Rocket, if you are able to resolve this, I love to take people on days other than Wednesdays to enter a plea, all right?
Okay.
All right, very good. So Miss Adams will bring you both a notice of hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, okay. Mr. Fry. Is Dravion's brother?
Yes,
Okay, because they set a pre-trial, but you're entering a plea.
that's correct.
Okay. All right, let me let Mr. Glassby in. There he is. All right, Draquan Glassby, if you just want to start your audio and your video for me. All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Draquan Glassby, file number 26-22518FH. I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Mr. Glassby and Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Hold on one second. Right, Mr. Rocket. Here, back. All right, so I have received a copy of a plea agreement and I have received a copy of the amended felony information. I don't see an advice of rights. We've not been able to do that yet.
We did, Your Honor. I filed that with the clerk yesterday.
Maybe it's stapled. Well, you know what? It's probably not over here yet, but I believe you. So, all right. So, as I said, this is a date and time set for a pretrial. I have a plea agreement form that states that Mr. Glassby will plead guilty to counts. Nope, I gotta go off live feed. So,